So I'm back with another episode. This time we're doing finessing in college. I just went to the dining hall. I got so many fun items. We brought Tupperware to the dining hall. We bought plastic bags and it was great. I'm gonna do a haul on what we got in the dining hall. Basically, this is just like some fun life hacks. If you don't want to go to the store, don't. If you have an unlimited meal plan, that basically means that you own the dining hall. So you can basically take whatever you want. Anyway, the first thing I got was this bag of oatmeal cookies. They didn't really have any chocolate chip cookies. You can't be picky, so that's our first item in the haul. I also got 2 more. They also had some other really fun desserts. We got these brownies. They're vegan. They're gonna be my breakfast tomorrow morning, so we got like 2 bags of those. Then, this is exciting. They had pumpkin spice vegan cake. It looks really yummy. It looks very moist. I think I have a few more bags of that. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Something leaked in my bag. Oh no. So this is what leaked. I love that. I love that. You know, guys, maybe you shouldn't do this. Or maybe, like, just do it better than I did. So I put too many pears in here, and it looks like the cap didn't close fully, so, I love that for my backpack. Not many things got wet. Oh, this is not wet. My work is not wet. My paper's not wet. So the only thing that's wet seems to be my backpack. So next time I would really recommend like plastic bags or something that you know for sure is closed, because as you can see, I made a mistake and I didn't fully close the Tupperware. I added too many pears and, you know, things went wrong. But you know what? You can always learn from your mistake. So next time I will bring a Tupperware that closes better. So we're just gonna unwrap this and then we're gonna see how much it leaked. Okay, it's not that bad. It's only a little wet. Don't overfill your Tupperware. Pro tip, you know? But anyway, we're still not done with the haul. We got 2 things of orange juice. Anyway, so I think now I'm gonna go like wash out my backpack. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified when I make my next video. I love you guys so much, and keep finessing.